Hello everyone, welcome to Harshi class. I am Rani. Today I will explain you about circle and parts of a circle. Along with that we will solve exercise 4.6 which is given in class 6 mathematics chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. Circle. A circle is a round two-dimensional shape made from one continuous line. How to draw the circle? We draw a circle starting from one point with only one line. With only one line. This is a circle and it looks like a simple closed curve. It is closed in shape and curve. It has no sides, no edges and no vertices. So it is not a polygon. In this circle, it has three parts. That's interior. Interior, the area which is covered, the area which is present inside the circle, that is called interior of the circle, and the area which is present outside the circle, that is called exterior of the circle. The distance around a circle or the line which is forming this circle, it is called boundary. This line is the boundary of the circle. Let's see the parts of a circle in detail. First one, center. The center is always equidistant from all the points on the circle. A circle has only one center. Here, center of the circle is O, point O. From this point, if you see the figure from this point O, the points which are present on the circumference, and the boundary of the circle, those are M, A, C, P, Q, B, D. The distance from O to M is same like the distance from O to A. Radius. It is a distance of a point on the circle from the center of the circle. For example, there is a point on the circle. There is a point on the circle on its boundary. It is M point. When you connect this point with its center, this is called OM. The line which connects the center with the point which lies on its boundary, that is called radius. Radius. There are number of radius, countless. Plural of radius is radii. Radii. OM, one radius. After that OA, another radius. OC, one radius. OD, OB, like that. There are infinite. Next one, chord. What is a chord? It is the length between 2 points on the circle. For example, there are 2 points P and Q. This pink color line is a chord which is connecting the 2 points on the circle. Chord, there are number of chords in one circle. This A and B, it is also a chord which is connecting 2 points on the circle, but this AB chord is passing through the center O. The AB chord is passing through the center O. If any chord passes through the center of the circle, that is called diameter. That is called diameter. Here AB, which is passing through the center of the circle O, it is called the diameter of this circle. Even CD, also a diameter of the circle, line segment CD, this one also passing through the center of the circle, so it is also considered as a diameter. But here PQ is not passing through the center of the circle, so it is a chord, it is not a diameter. The longest chord of the circle is its diameter only. The length of a diameter is double the length of a radius. Diameter AB. Diameter AB, which is passing through the center. O. It is always double. Its length is always double than the radius. OM. Radius OM, which is connecting the center of the circle with the point which lies on its boundary. So you can write that Diameter is equals to, there is a formula for finding the diameter of a circle if radius is given. Diameter is equals to 2 into radius. If in the question radius is given, then we use that formula. Otherwise, we need to find the radius. Diameter is given in the question, we need to find the radius. So, radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. These are the formulas for finding the diameter and radius of a circle. Circumference. It is the perimeter or boundary of a circle. At the starting of this video, I said that a circle is formed by a line. So, this line formed the circle. This line forms the circle. It is the boundary of a circle. It is called the circumference of the circle. Circumference is nothing but the distance around a circle. Arc. It is any part of the circumference of a circle. It can be denoted by two end points. Arc. It is any part of the circumference. For example, M to D. M to D. It is called arc. It is part of the circumference. It is denoted by 2 points M and D. This is called the arc. Sector. A region in the interior of a circle. Interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides is called a sector. For example, in this figure, from the point M to D, it is a arc. It is part of the circumference. It is an arc, and this arc has two radii. OM, one radii, and OD, another radii. So that part which has two radii, two sides radii, and one side arc, that is called sector. That is called sector. This is one sector. Segment. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called a segment of the circle. In this figure, a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord. Chord PQ, which is connecting 2 points on the circle. It is a chord. And arc PQ. Arc PQ. The area which is present in this chord and arc, that is called the segment. This is called segment. From the figure, identify the center of the circle. Center of the circle always present in the center, interior of the circle, and it is equidistant from every point on the circle. Center is O, point O. Next one, 3 radii. Radius is a singular form and radii plural form. 3 radii. What is radius? Radius is a line segment which connects the center of the circle with the point present on the circumference. So here one radius is OA, another one OB, and the third one OC. OA, OB, and OC. Next, C1, a diameter. Diameter is a chord which passes through the center of the circle and connects 2 points on the circumference. Here AC is connecting 2 points A and C which are present on the circumference, and it is passing through the center O. Through the center O. A chord. A chord. Chord is the line segment which is connecting 2 points on the circle, but it is not passing through the center of the circle. Here ED. ED is connecting 2 points on the circle E and D, but it is not passing through the center of the circle. Next, 2 points in the interior. 2 points in the interior. In the interior of the circle, there are point O and point B. O and P. A point in the exterior. Exterior point is point Q. A sector. A sector is formed by an arc and two radii. AB is an arc and the radii are OA and OB. Yellow color shaded part is a sector. It is OAB. Next one, segment. A segment. A segment has a chord and an arc. A chord and an arc. Arc ED and chord. Green color shaded part is a segment. 2. So question number 2, A1. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes. Every diameter of a circle is a chord. Because in a circle, there are many chords. Like this, there are many chords. But the chord which passes through the center, those are called diameter. Those are called diameter. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? In this picture, in this figure, there is only one chord which is passing through the center of the circle, that is AB. Remaining chords PQ, RS, these chords are not passing through the center of the circle. So every chord of a circle is not a diameter. This one, no. Third one, draw any circle and mark center, its center. In this figure, it's a center O. It's a center O is there. And a radius OR. Radius OR. O to R. This line segment which is connecting the point R and the circumference. Radius is OR. Next, a diameter. Diameter passes through the center of the circle and connecting 2 points on the circumference. So here the diameter is PQ. PQ, which is passing through the center of the circle. A sector. A sector. Sector. A sector has an arc. Here the arc is PR. Arc, which is a part of the circumference represented by 2 points P and R, and it has two radii OP and OR. This yellow color shaded part is a sector. OPR. Next, a segment. A segment. Here a segment M and N. Segment has an arc and a chord which is not passing through the center of the circle. This blue color shaded part is called the segment. MN shaded part is a segment. Next, a point in its interior. Let's write a point in its interior, that is S. S is the point in its interior. A point in its exterior. Let's write here point T. Point T is in its exterior. An arc. Arc is nothing but a part of the circumference. Here the distance or the length between point N and Q on the circumference, it is also called an arc, NQ. Say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. Yes, it's true. It's because there is a circle and its center point, this is the center of the circle. Diameter is nothing but a line segment which passes through the center of the circle and connects two points which are present on the circumference. Another diameter CD, third one EF. All these diameters are passing through the center and they are intersecting at a point. The center of your circle is always in its interior. Yes, true. The center of the circle is always in its interior. Here the center of the circle O is inside interior of the circle, and there is only one center of your circle. And also all the points which are present on the circumference are equidistant from the center of the circle. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.